we have big breaking news coming in from Rajasthan, where we've seen deaths of children who had consumed cough syrup. And now it seems there is a stunning twist that is being brought up by the government. The cough syrup deaths, it is a big claim by the Rajasthan government. They have said that all 4 deaths are not due to cough syrup, but children had some other illnesses as well. They were administered the cough syrup at home by the parents, but it is not the cause of their death. So this is a big claim made by the Rajasthan government. And joining us right now is India Today's Devankur Vadhavan. He from Jaipur. Dev, do tell us what the government means by this.
Well, Anjali, this clearly is a case of the government trying to shift the blame, not trying to take the blame on itself, because this particular firm, the Cason's firm, which was into manufacturing of this particular cough syrup, was not banned from manufacturing the cough syrup, despite the fact that there were complaints earlier and there were complaints of samples having failed earlier. But what the government is claiming, Anjali, is that in all the 4 cases in which deaths were allegedly claimed to have been caused by the cough syrup, but the government is saying that those children were suffering from other diseases or other ailments, and this, seems to be a case of the government trying to protect or not trying to blame the particular company. But if the company was not to be blamed, why is it that the 19 other medicines or syrups or products that this company was making, why was it stopped from making all of those products? So in Rajasthan, it seems that the health department is in shambles. It's not only the case of cough syrup. The recent deaths in the Swai Mansingh hospital is also a glaring case of criminal callousness. And in the case of cough syrup, what the official has claimed is that those deaths did not happen because of the cough syrup, and there were other ailments. It seems much like what happened during COVID-19, and there were claims that those people who had died were suffering from comorbidity, whether it was a heart ailment or whether it was any other kidney disease or liver disease, and there was an attempt to show. Yes.
What we are trying to understand is, to make such a claim, they need to have a basis. Do they have some sort of report? Have they conducted some tests? How do we, because as far as we know, they did not get permission for post-mortem. So on what basis are the officials making this claim?
Well, there were, a couple of deaths from Sikar district. One death happened of a child who was admitted at JK Lone Hospital. That child was from Churu district. And in all of those cases, what the government is claiming, that either the children were already suffering from some serious ailment, or they were not administered the cough syrup that was allegedly availed by those parents from the free medicine scheme that was brought in by the Rajasthan government. Now, this goes against the claims that have been made by the parents of those children. In each of those cases, either whether it was in case of those children from Sikar or from in the case of the children from Churu district, those parents, those family members had claimed that they had administered the syrup that was availed by them from the free medicine Rajasthan government scheme, and thereafter the children had fallen ill. But what the government is claiming is that the samples of this particular Cason's company had been tested in recent times, and those samples had passed the test. Now, but this clearly runs counter to what the parents have claimed, and it seems like the health minister Gajendra Singh Khivsar had a few days ago already mentioned that this company is not to be blamed. But when he was asked as to why those other products of this particular company was banned, he did not have a cogent answer to that. So it clearly seems, Anjali, that at this point in time, there is an attempt to give a clean chit to this particular company. But even today, the Central Health Department team has arrived at the premises of this particular company, and there would be further checks to find out what exactly was going on. Anjali?
Absolutely. It is very intriguing, or rather it is mind-boggling how the government minister had 6 days ago said there is nothing wrong with the company's medicines, and now we are hearing from the officials that the children who died did not die because of the cough syrup. So big questions there.